Hello, and welcome to the final video in this tutorial series. In the past 7 videos, I've walked you through the basics of using Intuiface. You can find a link to the text version of this tutorial in the video description. This is a continuation of what we've built in previous videos, so if you need to catch up, click here. Now, after learning how to create an experience, you can start capturing interaction information using data tracking. This will enable you to identify the preferences and, when relevant, the demographics of those who use your experience. With data tracking, you can log virtually any event. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log custom events and retrieve the recorded logs using the data tracking dashboard. Let's add the data tracking interface asset to our experience. Use the blue ribbon to display the Interface Assets panel. Click the Add an Interface Asset button and select Data Tracking from the list. Click on Add. The interface asset will now be presented in the Interface Asset panel. Select the interface asset from the Interface Assets panel and display the Properties panel by pressing the Properties button on the blue ribbon. Check the Include Scene Navigation Events checkbox. Select the biography scene, the same scene we created in the first part of this tutorial. We will create a tracking event that will log interaction performed on the pages of the document present on this scene. This will help us track how many pages of the document were browsed. From the Scene Structure panel, select Document Asset, Tim Burton Bio, right-click on it, and then select Add a Trigger. In the Trigger and Actions panel, select the document from the Trigger category, then select Page is Changed as the actual trigger. This translates into when the document's page is changed. Click to add an action and select Interface Assets. We want to add an action on the data tracking asset. Select Data Tracking from the Action category and Log Event as the action parameter. We should give our event a name so that we will be able to identify it among the other logged events. We will call this event Biography Document. Now, we will add a parameter to the event. While you can add any number of parameters to a logged event, we will only add one here in this tutorial. We will name this parameter Document Page. We will now bind the value of the parameter to the document's page number. This will allow us to track what page of the document our users are browsing. Let's see what we've created. Play the experience and browse the document to log some events. Now, let's retrieve the recorded results. In Composer, open the Help menu and select Consult Data Tracking Dashboard. Your system's default web browser will open, displaying the data tracking dashboard. Expand the Excel connector option and click on the Download Data Points button. An Excel workbook containing the recorded data should now be downloaded. Open it to see the recorded data. That's it for this video and this series. If you'd like to see the rest of the videos in this series, click here, or click the link in the description of this video. To see future demos, tutorials, and showcases, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. I hope these videos were fun and informative and that you are inspired to create and develop your own unique experiences. Thank you so much for watching.